shadows dance, silk threads weaving tales of chance, echoes of the ancient song, where hearts and spirits both belong. Whispering winds through bamboo trees, mystic whispers on the breeze, King strings sing tales of old, where dreams and legends all unfold. Lanterns glow in mystic night, painting dreams with soft moonlight. In the stillness voices rise, telling stories through the skies. Tune, harmony with the silver moon. Lotus blooms in quiet pond, reflecting stars of which we're fond. Through the mountains and the streams, ancient melodies and dreams, footsteps of the ancients here, filling hearts with tales sincere. Lanterns glowing mystic night, painting dreams with soft moonlight. In the stillness voices rise,